Okay, guys, here we go. Understand the rules you're fighting. Please listen to me. Keep yourself protected. If I say stop, please stop. If you want to touch now, God bless.
Here we go. Main event of the evening. Champion Changran Koren will defend his belt against Rabindra Dant. This is a fight that's been waiting to happen. A lot of trash talk has gone back and forth between these two men. And finally, we're a few moments away from Mark Goddard making this fight official. Here we go. Round number one. Dant in the white trunks, champ in the black and gold. A lot of questions are going to be answered here, my friend.
Again, a story of opposite stances. Oh! Chungreng charges in.
You know, it's interesting, in the fight against Muhammad Farad, we saw Farad get a fair amount of success on his feet earlier on. I mean, before Changran decided to take him down and Donkey Kong punch him. But
well, I've studied both these guys, and they absolutely have a mirrored life story and a mirrored skill set. It's like Chungreng versus Chungreng or Rabindra versus Rabindra. These guys are so evenly matched that it's going to be so tough to decide. Oh, man.
Nice entry by Changran Koren. Comes over with the right hand. And good reversal by Rabindra Dant. He knew this was coming. He's trained for it. But what remains to be seen is the strength. His corner tells me that he's got a great strength. Oh, straight into mount.
Rabindra's gone them.
He's got the mount here. And look at the movement. It's still early in the fight. And Changran Koren, though, is eating a couple of shots. He's eating a lot of shots. Oh, a lot of shots. Rabindra Dant is teeing off on Changran Koren. Changran doing a good job defending this. But there's only so much you can do.
Rabindra has unleashed the beast in him.
The chin on Changran Koren, though. And look at that, the awareness. He's got a hold of that leg.
The right leg of Rabindra Dant. Oh!
Look at that again, trying to turn it around. But Rabindra Dant with superior positioning. Landing those shots to the side of the head, controlling his posture.
Well, that's exactly the same
thing that Changran normally does.
And he's been doing it in the last 4 fights against Kant.
Oh, look at the welt that's formed on the right-hand side of Changran's face. Man, he's taken a lot of shots.
Changran looks rocked.
Oh, no, Changran looks a little hurt still. He's still a little hurt because Rabindra Dant landed at least 20 or 30 big shots, and props to him. And again, man, there we go. We've never seen Changran Koren being Changran Koren because it's like a verb at this point.
He's getting outclassed right now.
He's flattened him out in front of his corner, and now big shots here. Big shots. Changran Koren is in trouble early on in this round. It's just the first round. He's taken so much punishment. And that's what we said. I talked about it. Wrestlers like Changran Koren have not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dant is having his way with him because the amount of punishment he's taken.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now. The kind of punches. Referee Mark Goddard.
Rabindra's team actually manifested this. They made a rap video wherein Rabindra is knocking out Changran Koren.
It's not over yet. It's not over yet. He's still in it, but Changran Koren has taken so much damage that Rabindra Dant he's holding on to the right hand, and he's trying to get up, but Rabindra Dant is trying to choke him out. I don't know what he's trying to do. The desperation move here from Changran Koren, very smart, because he was almost finished.
It's been for Rabindra Dant.
My God, dominant is an understatement, man.
He's known as Dant shot for a reason.
Look at that reversal.
It's
return fire from the champion. This fight is far from over, my friend. I mean, you never know.
You never know.
It's the amount of action that's happened in the first minute, in the first 3.5 minutes, and he's trying his best to drag him down. No, but you know what? It's part of the sport. Sometimes you use it to your advantage.
Changran fighting back now in the same manner as Rabindra did.
Changran, though, what a heart of a champion. He took a pounding.
He goes in for the double leg.
He's battered and busted up, but now he gets good defense, good hips from Rabindra Dant. And man, the right-hand side of Changran's face is busted up. Good trip from Rabindra. Oh, the reversal.
That scramble.
Man, again, Rabindra Dutt again. And this is, this is what I mean. Jungle Koran is so tough, but Rabindra Dutt is boring.
We are yet to see a knockout tonight, and this could be it.
Man.
Both these guys are swinging for the fences.
The damage that Jungle Koran has taken so far, and the bombs that Rabindra Dutt is throwing at him.
Rabindra looks fresh.
Oh, beautiful. Got him with the left coming in, and Jungran sloppy trying to land a big overhand right on him.
Don't swing wide.
And his corner smartly says, don't swing wild.
What a beautiful performance in round number 1 by Rabindra Dutt.